Good afternoon, all of you. First of all, I would like to say thank here coming to our guest. Now I'm going to talk about money. I know we are thinking about money. If we have money, I will buy anything. If you have money, you can buy anything. But in my opinion, if I have money, I can buy things, but I cannot buy anything because we have students, so we cannot guess about money. If I will deliver our word, then you will understand why money is not everything. We we can buy good book. We can buy good book by money, but we cannot buy good knowledge by money. We can buy house by money, but by money we cannot make home. We can buy a new bed by money. We can buy a new bed by money, but we cannot live properly by money. And we can do health insurance by money, but we cannot buy good health by money. I would like to say about corruption, some line corruption. We know, guys, nowadays corruption is going. Corruption is growing day by day our India, and greedy greedy has become custom in our India. So we cannot stop because we have not power. But in my opinion, we will stop. We will stop because we have students. But now we cannot stop. But after some years we can stop. Because if we will decide, we will not take bribe. We will not take bribe. Then after some time, bribery will be stopped. You would like to, you have some aim. If you somebody, you want to become something. If you become engineer, doctor, and social worker, you will become. You would like to take bribe. You would like to take bribe. No. So if you will take bribe, it is not good. It is not good because if you take bribe, you have not good. You have not anything because you have not benefit to get knowledge. You can become doctor, engineer, but if you will take bribe, it is not good for our country. You will grow to corruption only. So I would like to finish my topic and I would like to speak some line in Hindi. You should to listen carefully. लम्हे खता करते हैं, लम्हे खता करते हैं, सदियां सजा पाती हैं. So we should to learn this word. So we don't want to do wrong anything. Thank you for listening.
So that was a very good speech on girls' education.